Hey everyone, this is a little video that me and Lisa put together. It's a story about how we met. So we hope you enjoy, we hope you're having a good night, and let's get it rolling.
Woo. I'm going back to Australia, I might never see you again.
Don't talk like that, Lisa.
But it's true. I've had the best time of my life and have to go away. It isn't fair. You're spoiling it, Robert!
I'm not spoiling it, Lisa. I'm only making it better.
Robert, is this the end?
Of course not. It's only the beginning.
So you dumped me real hard.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but you know what they say, love hurts, huh?
Yeah, right, babe.
Yeah.
No, that was good. Hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah, what about that first trip we went on?
On the boat?
Yeah, we went on that ferry.
Yeah.
That was a pretty good day.
Thought I was flying.
Yeah. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. I'm sinking.
Robert. What are you thinking about?
Every night in my dreams, I see you.
Is it
Shut your mouth.
You. That is how
Come, I'll show you.
know you go on.
Smell my fart?
The distance and
Does that smell good?
Yeah, I can smell them on Oosh.
You have come to show
Come, smell it from up here. Smell the difference?
Yeah, I can.
Near, far, wherever you are,
What colour?
I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you are.
What the hell was that?
I was flying.
Oh wow, talk about flying. That was
good.
crazy.
That was a fun trip.
But that sounded like us.
Yeah.
Oh, that's because he was us.
Oh, yeah,
got it. How about that first time when I met your brothers?
Yeah.
Man, I was so scared I shit myself.
They're alright.
Oh, yeah, watch this.
Who the hell are you?
Hi, I'm Rob.
What you doing here?
I'm here to take out Lisa.
What?
I'm here to take out Lisa.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Bro, you look 30. Us with Thundercats think you know what we got some joints on you? Trying to get my sister high, you smoke that shit.
No, sir.
Josh! Yeah? Who's out the door? It's Rob. Rob? Who the hell's Rob? Here to take out Lisa. Here to take out Lisa? What do you want?
I'm here to take out Lisa.
What's your name?
I'm Rob.
I heard Josh say your name was Rob. Here to take out Lisa?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
You're at least 30. You can fight? Come on, man. No, if someone's going to take Lisa out, I want to know if you can fight. If he can't fight, she can't go.
This is Lisa's older brother, right? He just got out of jail.
Hey, what are you putting my business in the street for? Yeah, I just got out of jail. Yeah, I'm not going back. I'm not going back. What are you shaking for, huh? What, you never had a gun pointed in your face before? What?
Don't you disrespect me.
You're a big, tall, ludicrous looking mofo, ain't ya? You rap? Move, bitch! Get out the way when you see me on the highway. Move out of my way.
Have Lisa home by 10:01. If she ain't home by 10:01, I'm in the car with my gun loaded and hunting your ass down.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? We're gonna learn the words. Oh yeah.
Anyway, that was pretty scary.
No, they're alright. They were alright to you.
Yeah, they're alright.
What about when we danced?
Which time?
We'll see it now. I had the time of my life.
We had the time of my life.
We had the time of my life.
What's on your mind when you say, stay with me tonight?
And remember, you're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
So I'll tell you something.
This could be love because
Patrick Swayze, eh?
Yeah, pretty good. Jennifer Grey, eh?
Actually, she got a nose job.
You just talk with them.
Yeah, that was good. That was fun.
No, it was good. It was a good day. And I'm a good dancer.
No, we
Yeah,
did
that was
have the
great.
time of our lives though,
No,
yeah?
that was good. Yeah. What about that time when I did save your life?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Do you want to show everyone how it was done?
Yeah. Watch
Yeah.
this. I look like Edward.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nah,
Face
sparkly and
pale,
everything.
Pale, sparkly.
That was
yeah.
good. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's what I'm here for.
Do you want to tell everyone how you proposed?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm embarrassed.
Well, you're going to show them anyway.
Alright.
Alright, have a look at this.
Okay.
Oh, do I look okay?
Yeah, but there's something missing.
Well, nothing else is going to fit into this dress, I can tell you that.
Well, I got something in this box that I want to give you.
Oh!
Yeah, that was a bit embarrassing.
That was good.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Okay.
We hope that you're having a good night.
Drink up, have fun, enjoy.
And just to finish off, the filming didn't go too smoothly, so here are a few bloopers just for your entertainment.
Have a good laugh.
Alright.
Bye.
Josh! Who at the door?
It's Rob!
Who the hell is Rob?
That was gold.
You're home by 10:01. I'm in the car with my gun loaded and hunting your ass down. Stop laughing. Stop. Stop. Come back.
You ever made love to a man before?
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Yeah. He said yeah. Rob, you dickhead. Yes. Yeah, he did.
Hey, what you doing here?
Nothing else is going to fit into this dress, I can tell you that much.
Well, I got something in this box that I want to give you.
Shoot him! You again? Bro!
Action.
So, Patrick Swayze?
Don't, he's dead. At all.